Hey, good morning, everybody. It's Frank and Carrie.
Hey, welcome back.
Your favorite DIY couple. Maybe. But we found an old abandoned mansion that was foreclosed on, and we bought it when it was in really bad shape. We're fixing it up.
Oh, and she is, we've made a lot of progress on her, so she's doing much better.
But we're here to share a video with you of our journey. And what do we, anything exciting today?
Well, today we are working on the top of the tower. Frank goes up there.
Oh, people are going to love this.
Yeah, if you don't like heights, you're not going to like this one. But Frank works on the top of the tower, and Bertha's just not quite tall enough, so that makes it a little more exciting.
Don't say I put a ladder in the man basket.
I'm not going to say that. I'm not, but we'll just let the video speak for itself.
All right.
So anyway, thanks for watching. Frank is moving Bertha back here to the tenant house, the cottage, whatever you want to call it. And we're going to try to fix the hole in the roof right there. Should be a quick fix. Watch the post. Never mind. We take the pressure off just a little bit. It stabilizes her, and and we can go a lot further with those outriggers. And now he's leveling it up, which is normally my job. So here we go.
This is something you don't see very often. We're on a shingled roof. This is the tenant house. And there's a hole. I have some patch material that we're gonna stop that hole from leaking. Gonna use flashing, and that's about what we're gonna do. It shouldn't take but 5 minutes. And voila! Just like that, we now have a patched hole. I know. This whole roof needs to come off, so that is just temporary. I've said that before, haven't I? Well, Bertha will not reach the top of the tower. She's this much too short. So, got my trusty ladder. And now I can go up and look at the top, see what we need to do to mitigate a little bit of the water intrusion. I think I'm going to repair a couple of these holes. I'm just going to bring some torch down rubber roofing up here and get it all sticky and torch it down. It should work for until I can get back up here. I'm gonna take this ladder and make it articulate so I can get across there and have some, you'll see, that way I can get to some of this stuff that's out there a ways. There's a big hole over there, but we'll see. We'll go down and renegotiate some of this stuff and come back up with the supplies. Okay, I didn't film me doing any of it, but I did the bestest patch job in the whole wide world. There's no way anybody could have patched this roof better than me. I'll tell you what, there's gonna be a how-to video. Well, maybe not, since I didn't video any of it, but I did a whole bunch of it. Of course, I was real careful up here, because it's kind of up here a ways. But I did a few patches. There's still some holes, little tiny holes, but this area was really leaking bad and probably still will, because it's sagged down. But the structure underneath this metal is bad, but it'll prevent some of the leaks. See, there's still that one. It's just torched down rubber roofing that I did. I kind of stayed flat on the roof so I wouldn't step through anywhere. But we're gonna be dry for a little while. Here's the 300 square foot flat roof we torched down. All the old slate that's on it. All right, that's that.
Well, what we doing up here on this flat roof again?
Well, I said that this is the only spot that has never leaked, but evidently this, once we got the rest of the water cleaned up, it still drips in this corner right here. And once I came back up here, I realized why. There's just nothing.
There's nothing left.
So the tar was trapping the water in there and leaking down into the maid's room, or the breakfast room.
Breakfast room, yeah.
That's the maid's room.
Yeah.
So I'm just gonna throw some flashing in there, and voila.
Well, you can see the original siding though. That's pretty.
That isn't the original siding.
Oh no, I guess it's not because
It wasn't the original siding.
No, this was a sleep porch. This was
That's
a
semi-original. Probably done in the early 1900s.
Yeah. A little bit of rain yesterday, so it gave us an idea of where it was going to leak. And this is one that we can...
Everything else looked good.
Yeah.
Repaired.
It was shedding water like it was supposed to, which was awesome. But this was the one that was still coming inside, so I'm glad that we had the opportunity to come up here and fix it today.
Thank goodness for opportunities.
Custom fit.
There's nothing that isn't custom on this job. Just breaking out some of the tar that has holes in it.
Yeah.
Cracked.
Not doing anything. Oh wait, yes it is. It's filling water.
It's always fun slipping the step flasher under the counter flasher.
Mm-hmm.
But it worked. Ta-da!
Ta-da! Just like that.
This is where the snakes were getting in. I think so. Huh?
Yeah.
Well, no, because how could they have slid up? Nah.
They've got to be in...
I mean, this is the area that they were right here.
Yeah. Right above the breakfast room.
Yep. This area is gonna be nice and dry.
That's going to be awesome.
Ish.
Drier.
Drier-ish.
Yeah.
I know. Should be wearing gloves. But I'm just being really careful instead. You don't have to wear gloves if you're just really careful.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, that's the
rule.
the general rule.
I
As long as
almost
you're
grabbed you
real
a flat
careful.
bar.
As long as you're real careful, you don't have to worry about anything. So that'll shed that. This is not how to fix a roof. This is how to stop a leak for a little while.
Yeah. No, this is not a...
It's not a how-to. Unless we're talking about just how to stop a leak for a little while.
Yeah. We are thankful we're not working anywhere near a black walnut tree right now, or a hedge apple tree. They keep throwing stuff at us.
And Viola. We now have completely weatherproof, watertight. There is no way anything's ever going to get in there.
Right. Okay. All right. Nicely done. Do you think you're going to fit in that box when you're not even supposed to be on the counter? Meanie. Are you trying to fit in the box? Are you going to fit in that box? I don't think you're going to fit, Kit Kat. I don't think you're going to fit. I don't think you're going to fit. That was funny. You need to get off the counter.